In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. In this video, we will create our first application in Excel, using Visual Basic. If you have not yet enabled the Visual Basic editor in Excel, first of all enable it. To open Excel, click Search button on the taskbar. Then write Excel in the search box. Click Excel when it is present in search results. When the application is loaded, click the blank workbook. As you can see, Developer tab is not present in the ribbon. To enable Developer tab and Visual Basic Editor, click the File menu first. Then click Options. Then click Customize ribbon. Then select Developer from Main tabs and click OK button. After the Developer tab is enabled, click it. And then click Visual Basic. Visual Basic Editor is open now. To insert a form, click Insert menu. And then use a form. An empty form is in front of you. Let's drop some controls on the form. To drop a text box on the form, move the mouse pointer to the text box. Now press and hold the left mouse button. In this way you can drag the text box, and drop it on the form. You can resize the control it if you want. Now drag and drop a command button in a similar way. After that, double-click the command button, and you can see its code window is opened. Here you can write the code that will run in responsive button click. And as a response, we want to change the text of text box 1. Type, text box 1.text equals, welcome to Visual Basic Programming, within double quotes. After writing code, you can save your file. For this purpose, click File menu and then click Save Book 1. Type the file name, if you want to change it. And then select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, as file type. Please make sure to save as, Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Otherwise, your code will not work. Now click green play button to run your application. A form is displayed on the Excel workbook. Click the button and you can see your code in action. Your message is displayed on the text box. We have successfully enabled Visual Basic Editor, and built our first application in Excel. This is the end of our video with the grace of Almighty Allah. Thanks for watching.